Hey guys, Peter from AirsoftUrban. Today we have a large AirsoftMegastore unboxing. Weighed 10 pounds and it costs $190, and this is Cody's stuff. And it's St. Patrick's Day, so got the Ireland jersey, and he's a ginger. So it's very appropriate. That's what the guys who unboxed the M14 blowback and the SIG called it. The money cut. Dude, cut it more. Or not. Whatever.
Shut up, I'm only half retarded.
Half?
Hey.
That's an insult to retarded people. Oh, he's the one that slapped Max in that video.
It was amazing.
There is a gun and some other stuff in here, so.
A smart charger and an extra magazine.
Oh, right. It's kind of some ugly packaging, just saying. Alright, then you have a razor?
A Slick Hydro 5. For free!
Why?
I have no idea.
Why would that be in an airsoft box? Oh. Jeez, trying to show your personal info, Cody? That
Here's a magazine.
is a very fugly magazine.
It is.
Alright, I'm ordering one of these. This 10 smart charger. Alright, open the gun. Why would there be a shaving razor in...
Maybe it's a sign from God we're supposed to start changing. Or shaving.
Seriously, watch! Where's the receipt?
Maybe it's some, like, dude there is just all, like...
emo and...
counting stuff to right there.
No, that one was me, so I'm gonna put the receipt out of the way. Nowhere on here does it say a razor.
Designed by Mike Hale's Kalashnikov.
What?
What kind of... Oh, 60th anniversary of Kalashnikov weapons.
That's so...
4 years ago.
What? I'm so confused. Open the gun already. Oh, it's so random.
No, we ordered shoes from Zappos or whatever. We ordered shoes from Zappos and we got Red Bull.
A Red Bull?
A Red Bull. Okay,
what?
So the weight's...
First thoughts on the gun.
This thing is pretty heavy. I like the wood. It feels really nice.
Real wood?
Yeah,
nice.
It's real wood.
Right here.
And then the metal.
Plastic magazine,
yep,
I think.
Good. Just be really good.
So, thoughts?
I like this.
Oh, here,
I like the feel of the stock. That thing feels nice. It has a really cowbell metal sound.
Oh yeah, where did you hear that from?
Probably some review.
AST Kilo?
Probably.
I think you're just supposed to kind of slap it. Yep.
Oh,
here's your basic 8.4 volt small stick battery. Or is this large? I don't think there are different sizes for stick batteries. Cat. Enjoying yourself, matey. And your battery. My SEMA battery came charged, so this thing probably will. Oh wait, no, I didn't get a SEMA battery, that's right.
And then this is the wall
Dang,
charger.
dude.
This
is a nice gun. Here, get my first thoughts on the gun.
Okay. So what do you think of it, Peter?
Well, first I have to figure out how to unlatch the stall. There's probably a button somewhere that I don't know about.
Here.
This thing's nice.
Peter.
There we go.
Oh,
it's really tiny.
yeah, I like that.
Are you compensating for something? Holy! This is a funky gun.
I love
That's
it.
cool.
You want the camera back?
Yeah. Let's charge up that battery. Alright. To conclude, we have a SEMA AKS-74U licensed by Kalashnikov, a 10 smart charger, a 1,000 round magazine, obviously the battery was with the gun, and
a razor.
Yeah, let's go find that. And a Slick Hydro 5 razor. Here, let's check out your stash.
Still fine.
No, you don't like that much. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I will have another unboxing soon one of these days, and see you next time.